As we headed back after fishing on the lake, we realized that the sky quickly became overcast and the surrounding valley had become socked in with thick storm clouds. The lightning started on the valley beyond the lake, but the thick bank of clouds quickly moved westward onto the lake. As the eye of the storm moved towards us, showers of sheet lightning cascaded onto the surrounding mountains and eventually onto the surface of the lake below, lighting up the sky with impressive bolts and branches of lightning. There's nothing quite as humbling as being the witness to a truly monumental thunderstorm. This elegant but beautiful storm ended up to be a key factor in our trip, causing some unexpected consequences. It turns out that the lightning bolts from this same storm were to strike trees all around southern British Columbia, and after these trees were struck, some of them would silently smolder for weeks before igniting, when the right conditions arose, into a full-blown forest fire. Later on in the series, we'll climb a mountain where once we get to the top, we'll see a forest fire not that far away from the parking lot where we started the hike, where we're going to have to return to. So this storm was one for the books.
Oh my goodness! Holy fuck! I just want to run up the steps after. I don't want to get hectic. Yeah, dude, that's the thing. Right? About to get windy, man. Fucking timber, man. There's high trees in here, man. Yeah. Yes, we got some high trees on the property. That's right. So, 4 people on 70 way right here.
Alright, so this bolt right here is the most impressive of the entire storm. Now let's take a little bit of a closer look here. Alright, let's slow it down a little bit and just see what goes on frame by frame in this strike. Alright, so I just want to say thank you very much for watching this video. Please like if you enjoyed it, hit that subscribe button, share to your friends, and I'll see you next time on Onwards and Upwards.